What's wrong with people? Why everyone wants to learn English language? Why everyone wants to speak this foreign language? लोगों को हो क्या गया है? क्यों सभी इस फॉरेन लैंग्वेज के पीछे पड़े हैं? क्यों सभी इंग्लिश बोलना चाह रहे हैं? I really don't understand. Can't we get job if we know our mother tongue? We can. So why learning this foreign language? Why wasting a lot of time? Because I have heard from somewhere, if you are going to try for learning English language, it takes years and years. People, they are wasting their time. Plus, I have heard, if you don't have environment, if you don't have anyone to speak with you, then you can't speak English language. So if it is very difficult and it takes a lot of time and I don't know the importance of learning this language, so I'm not going to learn this language. Wait, my friend. I am going to tell you the importance of learning English language. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to improve English and the importance of learning English language. First of all, my friend, if you think that learning English is very difficult, so it's not true. Yes, you heard me right. Nowadays, it's easy to learn English language. It doesn't take a lot of time. If you know the good strategy, if you know the right strategy, how to learn this language, then it won't take a lot of time. It won't take years and years. You have heard that it takes years and years to improve this language. So, to some extent, you are right, because it is a language and learning a language takes time, right? And if you don't have environment, even you can learn this language. If someone is saying they don't have environment and without environment they can't speak, so it's not true. It's really myth, my friend. You can improve your English irrespective of not having environment and good study background, because this is a language. Ultimately, this is a language and a language can be spoken by anyone, no matter they are well educated or they are selling vegetable or they are doing anything, farming work or anything. So if you have been thinking like that it's very difficult to learn English language and everybody can't speak this language, so it's myth. From today onwards, don't think like that. It's easy to learn if you know the right strategy. The only thing they need, mobile. If they have mobile in their hand, they can listen and try to speak this language. So if someone is saying it's very difficult, my friend, it's not that difficult. Okay, if you start trying, you will get there, you will get fluency. So don't listen others that it's very difficult. Just start and try it. Okay, other than that one, many people they say that what's the importance of learning this foreign language? इस विदेशी लैंग्वेज को सीखकर हम क्या करेंगे? क्या हम सक्सेस नहीं हो सकते हैं अगर हम अपने मदर टंग को बोलें? क्यों नहीं, आप सक्सेस हो सकते हैं. Why not? You can get success, right? But the thing is that, my friend, there are many uses of learning English language. Let me tell you one by one. First thing, my friend, see, if we give challenge to our mind, then it grows. Okay? So learning a language is challenging work. In one way, we are challenging our mind. So when we challenge our mind, that time it grows. That is why we should keep learning new things. It could be language, it could be any difficult things and new things. Okay, that is why we should try to do something different so that our mind can grow. If you are doing the same kind of task, then your mind will become dull. It won't be that sharp. So if you want to make it sharp, then start giving tasks to it. Start giving difficult tasks to it. So learning a language is little difficult but not impossible. Okay, there are multiple of uses. You won't believe, when I started learning English language, so I started posting video. Many people they commented on my channel that why you are learning English language? It means that you are disrespecting our mother tongue. They were saying that you are disrespecting Hindi language. what's wrong if we speak only Hindi language? um, why you are learning this foreign language? They were saying to me, I remember, uh, few months back, many people they suggested me not to learn English language and just respect your mother tongue Hindi and be proud of your mother tongue Hindi. My friend, see, learning a language is a skill, and as I told you, you are sharpening your mind. Then don't connect something respect and disrespect. You are learning something, it's a skill. So if we are learning something new, it doesn't mean we are going to disrespect something, right? Because we are learning new things, so we are giving importance to everything. Who doesn't respect their mother tongue? Everyone they respect their mother tongue, right? So, and one more thing, my friend, do you know my mother tongue? My mother tongue is Bhojpuri. Yes, you heard me right. At my home, we speak Bhojpuri. My whole villager they speak Bhojpuri. No one speak Hindi language. So initially, when I got the chance to learn Hindi language, did I stop? Did I tell to my teacher, no, you are disrespecting my mother tongue Bhojpuri, and that's why I don't want to learn Hindi language? No, I didn't say, because we should accept and we should learn new things. So I used to read books in Hindi, I used to talk to people in Hindi. That's why I learned Hindi language also. So I speak Bhojpuri and Hindi and other English I'm learning. And many people they ask me, Anita, if you get the chance to learn some new languages, would you? I said, why not? What's wrong if I keep learning? Because now I have understood the benefit of learning new things. So my friend, the first reason and the best reason is our mind get sharpened, or our mind become sharp if we do something new and if we learn something new. So if you are also someone who has been thinking that okay, it's one way of respecting our mother tongue when we learn something new, so from today onwards stop it. Yes, from today onwards stop it, because it's not good way of thinking. If you learn English language, it is a skill. See, if you speak Hindi, that's so good. If you speak English, that's so good. See, if you know multiple of languages, then you have choice. But if you know one language, you don't have any choice. Let's suppose if you have 2, 3, 4 homes, as per the good location or bad location, good location, so you have choice where you want to live, right? It's not that you are disrespecting your one home and you are living in another home. No, my friend, you are going to live as per your feeling. Wherever you feel good, you are going to live in that home or in that house, right? So same way, wherever you feel that people they are speaking in English, speak this language. When you feel that everyone is speaking in Hindi language over there, don't show off, just go with the Hindi. What's the need of showing off that I know English language? Okay, so there is no need to think respect and disrespect. Learning a language is a skill, and especially English language, because it is international language. That is why we should learn. Wherever you go in other country, if you know English language, you can survive, you can travel, you can do many a thing. So my friend, from today onwards, stop thinking this kind of small things, just like respecting, disrespecting, and if you know English language, then start showing off. These all are not the good thing. Okay, so initially what happened, why I'm sharing with you, many people they stopped me that you are disrespecting our mother tongue. No, my friend, I didn't, and now also I don't. I love my mother tongue, I love Hindi, I love Bhojpuri, but I like this language also, because this language is benefiting me. See, if I go and try for the job, I will have to speak English language, because the dream which I have, I think I need this language. Plus, I'm a YouTuber. Here I post my videos, and many people they watch. Some of them they don't know Hindi language. Their mother tongue is completely different from Hindi. However, they know English language, and on the base of their that knowledge, they watch my video. So there are multiple of benefit to learn English language and to speak this language, and plus to learn other languages also. I'm not just forcing anyone to learn English language only. No. If you feel the language is going to help you, or whichever language is going to help you, learn that language. And other benefit I told you, that is your mind will become sharp. Okay, so let the people say that you are disrespecting, let the people say what's the use of learning this language, let the people say that you can't speak this language. No, my friend, everyone can speak this language nowadays. The only thing they need is mobile. They should have mobile in their hand. They can listen, read, and speak. See, if you think that you can't, then you won't. But if you think you can, then you will. So why not thinking that way? So this is what I wanted to share with you. There are multiple of uses. Then don't listen if someone is saying this kind of things. Okay, just think about your benefit, think about your career, think about your dream. Okay, there are many things you can't get if you don't know English language. Forget about the respect, forget about the showing off. Just think about your dream, think about your career, your earning. Okay, let the people say, because people work is to say something, sometime good, sometime bad. We just have to listen. If the thing is important, we should use in our life. If the thing is not important, we should not give attention to that kind of ideas also. Okay, so this is what I think about learning new thing. I never ever think that we are disrespecting, because I believe that these all are the skill. Learning a new language or learning new thing, it is going to add value in our life. So why not? What's wrong if we add value in our life, right? We'll become more valuable, we'll earn more money, right? So this is what, my friend, you should keep learning, and you will be able to speak this language, because now it's possible. So I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.